The punishment for kidnapping may get even steep as the Senate has agreed to enact a law which prescribes capital punishment for kidnappers. Well, federal lawmakers adopted this recommendation after considering a report by the Joint Committee on Police Affairs, National Security and Intelligence on the unfortunate recurrence of kidnapping and hostage-taking in Nigeria. The chairman of the Joint Committee, which worked on the report, Senator Abu Ibrahim, said the committee observed that security agencies have not been able to effectively tackle the problem of kidnapping due to inadequate funding to enable them procure more technology and equipment. The committee also observes that there appears to be unnecessary and unhealthy rivalry among security agencies, leading to a lack of synergy and prompt intelligence sharing.
The committee recommended that the funding of security agencies should be taken seriously as a priority project, bearing in mind that the practice of envelope budgetary allocation for security agencies cannot have proven ineffective. That efforts should be geared towards creating employment opportunities for our human unemployed youths. The security agencies should embark on training and retraining of their personnel for effective capacity building. State governments should be encouraged to enact laws to enable security agencies to prosecute kidnappers and other crime-related offenses in their jurisdictions. The synergy and intelligence sharing among security agencies should be vigorously pursued. That the IG of Police and Director General of of the State of Security in particular and other security agencies should be encouraged to do more.